god. I think we do this later, guys. We can't do this now. So for those of you that are saying, it's more jarring.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings.
Welcome back again to my channel. Mama, stop crying. Mama, stop crying. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. Oh my god. I think we'll do this later, guys. We can't do this now. Hey guys, welcome back. Oh my god. Hey guys. Hey guys, welcome. Mama, sorry now. Don't do this to me now. Don't do this to me. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. So for those of you that are saying you guys need updates to see my baby, so this is my baby. My baby is currently a month and 1 week. Yeah. So here's my baby and she's getting so big. I lay her down so that I can do this video properly, but she said no. So she's looking at herself. She was wondering, who is this one? Who is this? Who is this? Mama, who is this? Who is this person? Who is this person? So guys, if this is the first time tuning in, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to also share this video. So obviously we're opening this vlog here with my baby girl. You guys see yourself. So guys, today is 1 month and 1 week. Yeah, 1 month and 1 week, and I just decided to give you guys this quick update on how my baby girl, in fact I'm her godmother. The problem I have with her mother is that whenever she sees me, she just leave this innocent fine bureau downstairs with me. Mama, look, Mama, look at yourself. She just leave her with me and then she just disappear. So apparently now she don't disappear again. She don't disappear, leave me and her. Oh. So as my baby they look camera, see she know what she they do. Anyways guys, let's see. Oh, Mama, don't fall. Pico. I'm not a mom yet, but I'm planning to be one, so I'm practicing already with baby Sonia Michelle. She's laughing. See this girl, children now. See my mama. See what she's doing. Concentrating. I see she know what I'm doing. Mama. If I see your face for this video, this girl, she's supposed to get all of this video. Now let me and her get this video. Mama.
No.
So guys, you guys want to buy butter as well? Who me too?
Somebody help me. Africa.
This is African salad, Abi. Intercontinental dishes.
So the next day, guys, this is actually what I ordered from Jumia, and I have to receive it. And this delivery guy is very, very funny. Like, I've never gotten any funny delivery guy like this particular guy. He was actually making me to laugh a lot. So this is it. After collecting my order, you can see it's coming all the way from Jumia. But man, the truth is that, is it what I saw that I really got? I don't know what to say. That's just the truth. I'm not kind of saying the order was really that bad, but I expected more. Yeah, you know what I mean when I say I expected more. When I actually unboxed this, I expected more than what I saw, because the picture I saw and this one was a little bit different, but it's not that it's serving its purpose, because definitely it does serve its purpose. So trust me, guys. So anyways, after opening the order, we went out.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's nothing, I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling. I'm humbling. Keep mumbling, I'll keep doubling. You keep bluffing, you've got nothing. I'll keep hustling.
They put inside light. So this one, they do it as same, Abby. They do this one. I need this thing, oh, familiar. What's the difference? Sweetheart. I beg, I need familiar. Okay. 1-4. Everything. What of the show?
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelmed.